Learners. Hello learners, this is Habeeba with Excelwithme. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is research methodology paper. The topic research proposal and research report. If you want a detailed description about research proposal, you can go through the net paper research method. Under that I have explained with example also how to write the research proposal. Here we will go in just points what would be the format of the research report and also research proposal. A research proposal is a document written by a researcher that provides a detailed description of the proposed program. Obviously, when we do all the research about the past literature, how we found the research question, in gist, what are we going to do in the research, we will mention in the research proposal. It is like an outline of the entire research process that gives a reader a summary of the information discussed in a project. Now, what are the major components or elements of a research proposal? Let's see here. Number one, introduction. Under introduction, you will give the background of the study, what are your objectives, scope of the study, significance of the study, or limitations of the study, hypothesis, everything you will write in the introduction part. Then second one, literature review. This proposal headings are in general I am speaking about. Different proposals will be written in a different manner. Here in general, what are the headings we can give for our research proposal, I have given here. Second one is literature review. This is very important part. We can give 8 to 10 literature reviews what we have done related to our research question. Third, material and methods, that means methodology. What methodology we are going to apply for our research project, that we have to mention over here. And also about the work plan related to time, budget, literature introduction, how much time, and then literature review, how much time you are going to take. Then for methodology, collection of tools and techniques, data, everything under that. And then lastly, results, conclusion, analysis, how much time you are going to plan your research, that you have to mention. Also, you have to write about your cost budget, fifth one, how much cost for each and every step you are going to take. Then obviously lastly the 6 references, and then 7 appendix. Now let's understand the research report. That is, research report is a research document that contains basic aspects of the research project. That means research report is a systematic, articulate and orderly presentation of research work in a written form. Now, research reports are recorded data prepared by researchers or statisticians or after analyzing information gathered by conducting organized research. That means whatever research we have done, maybe the scientists, maybe the researchers in general, what all the statistics they have gathered, they have what they have conducted related to their research, they will mention. This research report is a medium to communicate research work with relevant people. Obviously, why we are doing this research? Because it will be helpful for the future researchers, so that they cannot make the same mistakes and they will go for the new knowledge. It is also a good source of preservation of research work for the future reference, obviously. So now, format of the research report, let's understand here. There is no one best format, as I told you, for all reports. Format depends on several to create desirable impression with clarity. Now, how should be the report? Report must be attractive. It should be written systematically and bound carefully. A report must use the format often called structure that best fit the needs and wants of it. The structure should be very well planned. Normally, the following format is suggested as a basic outline which has sufficient flexibility to meet the most situations. Now let's see the main parts here. That is, research report is divided into 3 parts as Number one, first part, that is formality part. That means cover page, title page, certificate or statement, then index, that is brief contents. What are the contents we have that we will write, and then table of contents, that is detailed index, then acknowledgement, list of tables and figures used, preface or forwarding or introduction, and then summary report. That will be in the first part. Now the second main part, that was the formality part. Now main part is the central part of the report, what the research we have done, that is statement of the objectives, methodology and research design, types of data and its sources, sampling decisions, data collection methods, data collection tools, then field work, analysis and interpretation including tables, charts, figures, etc. Then what are the findings, what are the limitations, and the conclusions and recommendations, then any other relevant detail they have that they can mention over here. That's the main part. Second part is the main part of the research report. The third one is appendix, additional details. Number one, copies of forms used, tables not included in findings, a copy of questionnaire, detail of sampling and rate of response. That we will mention in the appendix, and also statement of expenses, then bibliography, list of books, magazines, journals and other reports what we have referred, then any other relevant information. Now what are the key considerations factors here while preparing research report? Following issues must be considered. Number one, objectives, that is very important, and what type of problem or subject, that also nature and type of report, research, nature and type of research, whether descriptive or the theoretical, historical, what kind of research we are doing, then audience or users of research work, then size of report, that is also very important, then form of writing, maybe handwritten, typed or computerized, then time and cost, language, contents of report. All these things we have to keep in our mind before doing any research project. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. I'll come up with the next topic in the next video. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.